green color, black color, and yellow color. I learned capital letter A for aeroplane, B for bicycle, C for cake, D for dress, E for elephant, F for frog, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey. Let's paint yellow color. A for alligator, C for cake, F for fish, H for horse, I for ink, K for king, M for monkey, black color, B for broccoli, D for donut, E for elbow, G for grapes, J for jelly, L for line, let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe for next part. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.